Today we learn the layout widgets row and column. These two widgets create the structure of every Flutter app. Row places widgets from left to right, horizontally. Column places widgets from top to bottom, vertically. Inside Children you list the widgets, and they appear one after another. Main axis alignment decides how the space is distributed. Main axis alignment .center puts all content in the middle. Main axis alignment .space between creates equal gaps between widgets, first on the left, last on the right, the rest in the middle. Cross-axis alignment aligns content in the other direction. For a row, cross is vertical. For a column, cross is horizontal. If you want a widget to fill all available space, wrap it inside expanded. This is essential because phone screens are small and you must manage space carefully. No app layout is possible without row and column. Practice. Create a column with a heading, then a row of icons, and a button at the bottom. Try both center and space between. Row and column will be in every single screen you ever build.